Hello everyone, welcome to BOSJOB YouTube channel. Today I'm going to introduce you some useful car body repair tool. The first one is a Europe type torch with the quick lock torch head. It has two-step design, so you can connect with different size chalk or the slide hammer. So without any tool to lock and unlock the torch head, really useful. And this small grounding device is a torch press earth V2. It's really light and it needs a smaller sanding area for your car body, and it can increase the output current than the screw type earth. It's really easy to weld and take off. And it can work with different kind of chalk or slide hammer, electrode, puller. So the welding point is really close to your repair area. It can provide you very good power transfer. And the spring will make sure the contact pressure for the good connection, good power transfer. Let's talk about the slide hammer. It's a really useful tool for car body repair. And we just changed two important things. One is main bar, we changed to the aluminum alloy, and it can reduce the weight. And we put a bush inside to protect the material, make it slide smoothly. And this is a special material electrode, very good performance, long lifetime. If you prefer the big triangle, you still can have the adapter to put on it and connect with torch press earth. Very easy to weld, and welding, pulling. If you want something not so rough, you also can use edge puller or nano easy puller. It can provide you different way for pulling, like you can pulling it straight or in a small angle, small special angle for pulling. The torch press earth can work with any dam puller with M12 terminal. It's also very easy to disassembly. You can see, just take off the plastic parts, then you can see the electrode. It's very easy to grinding or sanding again. And please don't lose the spring. It's also very easy to replace. You can just take off the knot for the replace, and please remember to clean up the contact copper area face. And also, it's a very easy and useful tool, simple but useful.